Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a poll in Calendly. So without further ado, let's get started. So simply click on the create button, and as you can see there are three options. We just need to click on this meeting poll. So simply click on it, and now you'll see an interface like this. What times do you want to offer invitees to vote on? Alright, so from here you can choose the time zone. You can also choose the duration, how long do you want this to be. And now I'm just going to select some random time here. So I'm just going to select 2 times here. Okay, so simply click on next. Okay, so it's saying what meeting will you create from this poll, and as you can see there is our name and the details. So you can also change the meeting name here. Writing the meeting name is mandatory, so you can type anything you want here. And now here comes the location part. So if you have a Zoom meeting, you can simply select Zoom or any other software that you want. I'm just going to select Google Meet here. Okay, you can turn on this vote visibility so that all the participants can see each other's name and votes. You can also select the reserve time option. I'm just going to unselect it. Now as you can see here, okay, so what we will do is simply click on the publish meeting poll, and it will publish our poll here. So there you go guys, our poll is ready to share. You can copy this link and share with the participants. Alright, you can share the link, track the votes, book the meeting. So that's it for today guys. That's how you create a poll on Calendly. So that's it for today. Hope you guys found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.